Alright, this is that time. Oxlade, Olaiton. It's your turn. It is your turn, my brother. Oxlade, ladies and gentlemen, has a remix with Camila Cabello. Massive look for Oxlade, bro. This is obviously tying on going in the running pattern that we've had of many songs that have picked up global attention, and Oxlade's KULOSA has been one of those records that has done numbers and made a bunch of noise on, say, like TikTok, for instance, on Instagram, on the socials, and translated to so much awareness, or at least people checking him out now. And that was off a color session. He has put out a video for it. Now it's time to work on the momentum, squeeze the juice out of this beefy record, you know. And yeah, this is him trying to further the expansion of the song, and obviously seeking a Western artist to hop on the record that could work out, that has a great potential to work out, because Camila is not new to this sound per se. She's not new to anything African or African sonics. Recently she was on a feature with my very favorite artist from Belgium, Stromae. And Stromae obviously collected a bunch of Congolese soukous kind of influence, maybe not soukous but rumba kind of influence on the song Mon Amour. And she was on that song, and she held her own. She sounded great. Any Nigerian artist can even make that song too. So I could see her in the Afro-centric landscape. Now, obviously, there's some resentment with people, or reservations that people still have with her Tumblr days, where she was a little raw-sauced, okay? And and it's up to people's discretion if they still want to support her or not. I'm a believer of redemption. I believe people can come back from their old past, especially when they were a lot more younger. But it is what it is. Say what you want about Camila. I think it's still a great fit for a feature with Oxlade, because she has the numbers too. She has the numbers too, and an artist, a fresh artist like Oxlade that's trying to expand on what he has so far, I think this is a good opportunity for him. So I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this collaboration. Now let's get into the details of the song. Now let's get into the meat of the song. Is she holding up? Is she bringing something new to the song? Is she beefing up or elevating the excitement of the song already? Let's find out. This is KULOSA with Camila Cabello. Let's go. I think you re-recorded it. That's great. I think because there are two versions. I think this one obviously was... Okay, I was thinking maybe Colors had that initial one, so he re-recorded the song. Either way, it sounds great. Because it doesn't sound like the original. I noticed that he's doing different runs on this one already. Oh, she's harmonizing already. She didn't even let us wait. She understood the assignment. I'm sorry. She sounds like she works on this kind of atmosphere. She sounds like she works here. Like, this doesn't seem so out of place. Like, it sounds like it works. Let me get to her intro. I love how she came in. It was really how she came in that did it for me. I was like, okay. Making her presence known, and obviously still being in the staying in the same spirit and same vein of the song. Okay. Hey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Set comes to Lagos, bet I wanna stay. Okay. This is getting too much. Yeah, they give us so much room to actually eat up the song. Oh. Oh my goodness! What? Oh my gosh, yo, they sound so good together. When it got to the part they were harmonizing, no, I lost it. Oh my gosh, they sound so good together, man. These two sound great together. The synergy here is unmatched. This is good. This is probably one of the best, one of the better ones. This is one of the better international collaborations I've seen, because she weaved into the song so well, to the point where I'm like, oh wait, when are we get to Oxlade back? Like, this feels like it's another thing. And the production, how the production progressed, and how the beats came in, and then she started having so much fun. You could tell that she was just riding through the beat with ease, bro, with ease. And this was great. The harmony chops again, like, were phenomenal, bro. And yeah, it tied into so much what the song speaks of, and really like holds the spirit of the song is still present. Yeah, the Ozedicus juice, it just sounded even better. I think this is a point of building upon what was already there. The original is still there for you to listen, I bet, but honestly, it sounds like I'm finding a good or at least a better a better development of the song. I feel like this really beefs up the moment. This is the kind of feature that really adds and advances the experience of the song. Having that back and forth is really phenomenal, and I think it's great. The song is a love song, and yeah, like I think she embodies that synergy with him. And yeah, this was cute. This was mad cute, man. This was mad cute. I'm excited about this one for Oxlade. I'm super excited for Oxlade, man. He's gonna win big with this one. He's going to. I just believe he's going to. He's going to make a better penetration with this one, because it's a good record. It's a good song. And I feel like most people that pick it up, forget the Twitter, the TikTok dance. I think most people that just casually run into the song would definitely, can easily fall in love with it. I feel like this is that kind of record, as soon as it's played on airwaves and it's played in moments where people kind of like, oh wait, what is that song? They're going to be shazamming and they're going to be checking it out, because I think this is one of Oxlade's final records, and it makes sense that this is going to change the landscape, or at least the trajectory of his career right now. This is going to change it significantly, and I'm happy for Oxlade, man. He's come a long way. It's come a long way from 2020 when we got to like really deep the artist. I mean, I'm from Mami Water days and 2020 and getting nominated for Next Rated. Yeah, I'm excited for him, man. This was a good moment. This was a good moment for him. Camila Cabello did her thing, and I think this is gonna be a great one. I'm curious what you guys think about this record. Do you think this is one of the better international features that we've had in a while? Let me know in the comment section, because I think this is up there. This is up there, man. This is up there. This is one of the good ones. One of the good ones. All right. I'll be your boy, man. Palmwinepapi. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.